In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style shapes in Lucidchart. Whether you're crafting a sleek flowchart or a vibrant diagram, customizing shapes can bring your designs to life. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this effectively. First off, you'll want to head to the Lucidchart home screen. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of diagrams you can start with. For this example, we are going to focus on a flowchart. So go ahead and select a flowchart as our starting point. Clicking on this will bring a basic template onto your canvas, making it easier for us to dive right into styling. After your flowchart appears on the workspace, identify the shape you want to begin styling. Click on it to highlight it. This is your canvas, so to speak, where we'll start implementing changes to make it unique and tailored to your needs. Next, let's move forward with changing the color of the shape. Once the shape is selected, you'll notice some options display on the sidebar. These are your styling tools. Find the color palette icon and click on it. From here, you can choose a new color that matches your design preferences. Experiment a little to see what works best for your project, but color is just the tip of the iceberg. You may also want to change the shape itself. You can do this by accessing the shape options in the toolbar. Click to browse through different shapes available and select one that fits well with your diagram's theme. Don't hesitate to try a few before settling on the perfect one. After customizing the color and shape, you might want to add a bit of depth with a shadow effect. Find the shadow option in the settings panel and click on it. A small menu will open. Turn the shadow effect on to add dimension to your shape. Now, let's take it a step further and adjust the shadow settings. Click on the shadow of the shape where you can modify aspects like direction and intensity. You can also make the shadow more prominent or subtle depending on your preference. This is all about adding that extra flair to your design. Finally, take a step back and reassess your creation. Make adjustments to the shape style to align with your vision. Whether it's fine-tuning the shadow or adjusting the shape size for better proportion, explore these tools to perfect your diagram. Styling shapes in Lucidchart not only makes your projects look more appealing, but also enhances clarity and communication. I hope this guide has empowered you to use these tools creatively. Feel free to experiment and see how small changes can make a big impact on your overall design. Happy charting!